This is James Ireland, Senior Product Manager with Contech Professional, and today I'm coming to you from the 2021 ISSA show at the Las Vegas Convention Center. And we're excited to announce the launching of some new products, and those are the things I'm going to talk to you about today. The first product I want to talk about is the Unifor Surface Wipes. These are 100% polypropylene wipes that are designed to absorb and distribute chemistry simply and effectively at a great price point. The compatibility with most chemistries is very broad, and they're very effective and very low linting for certain applications. Comes in this convenient dispensing bucket with a handle for easy portability. Another product I want to talk about in the portability category is the new Primera Portables mops. This is a set of 10 Primera mops in a convenient bag that allows customers to add whatever chemistry they would like indicated on the label and bring the mops to the point of use so they can do spot cleaning at the appropriate place without a bucket and without all the accompanying nasty looking cleaning materials. So it gives a nice clean look for your customers. It's simple, it's portable. The instructions on the front are very detailed, telling you how much chemistry to add, and always be sure to add the chemistry on the front so that everyone knows what's in the bag. But it does contain 10 Primera mops that you can saturate with whatever chemistry you like and bring to the point of use for spot cleaning. And this is our Primera flagship product, great disposable mop with microfiber. Another product I want to talk about that we've recently launched is the Quick Change Claw Mop Connector. This is a touchless claw mop. It is designed for ease of use. To attach to a string mop, simply pull towards the grip, and then to release, simply push this button. The claw mop will be touchlessly removed and disposed of in the proper receptacle. This is a great product for use in ORs when you're doing high irrigation cases or dealing with large grossing situations in ORs where operators really don't want to come in contact with potentially contaminated string mops. The last product I want to talk about is our new ToolFlex line of hardware holders. These are mounted on walls. They come with these convenient clips that you can readjust and move wherever you need to have them. They also have additional clips available. They're easy to mount, easy to install, and they hold a wide variety of diameters of handles. They're flexible and easy to use. They can be mounted in trucks and on other walls, or even clean room walls where you don't want to penetrate the surface with double-sided tape. This is ToolFlex 1. This is a great new product. It's great for arranging all your zero-gravity hardware and keeping it organized and separate for ease of use. These are all the new products I wanted to talk with you about today. If you have any questions, please go to contechprofessional.com. Thank you for your time.